Hello and welcome back to our house. Good to have you with us again. Today we've bought some new tools and I just wanted to show you. These are called Quick Grip Clamps. They're known by other names, very similar names. I'll put some up on the screen for you to have a look. And these are absolutely fantastic, must have as far as a DIY goes. And we'll have a look at them now. Buying a pack of 4 is actually cheaper than buying them individually, and even a pack of 2 is only a couple of dollars cheaper than buying a pack of 4 in some cases. I'll show you some examples on the screen now. This first image is from the Australian Bunnings website, and you can see that the pack of 4 is only $2 more than the pack of 2. So you get your extra 2 clamps for just $1 each. This next image is from our local Total Tool store, and you can again see that buying 2 individual clamps is only around $2 less expensive than buying the pack of 4. So again, you'll literally get your extra 2 for $1 each. I'll put links in the description for both Bunnings for us Aussies and Amazon for those of us, including me, who love our home deliveries. The Amazon link is an Australian link, but for those overseas, just log in and switch the location to your own country to make sure you get your best local deals. Now there's generally 3 variants of these grips, considered light, medium and heavy duty. And the amazing thing is the amount of pressure that they can exert, but you can also see very easy to use as well. Now I mentioned before that there are light, medium and heavy duty clamps, so I'll show you some examples using the 150mm version. This is considered the light version of the bunch, although they don't use light duty in the title of course. These are the ones I bought as a pack of 4. They can exert 63 kilograms worth of force, so an incredible amount of force for what is considered the least heavy duty of the bunch. The next one on the list is the medium duty, which has a holding capacity of 136 kilograms of force. And then finally we have the heavy duty clamps with an unbelievable 272 kilograms worth of clamping force. They also have smaller clamps for more delicate jobs. These of course have a lesser clamping pressure than the larger variants, but for their size are still very impressive. I must say that I almost bought some just because of how cute they looked instead of how functional they are. But hey, what can I say? I'm a bit of a tragic. They of course also have larger clamps for the bigger jobs as well. I'll just give you a quick demonstration just to show you how easy these clamps are to put on and take off. I just got my arm in the way there, sorry about that. You can see it's just a matter of pulling the trigger and they'll clamp close nice and tight. Just put one in the middle for good measure. And there we go. And you can see the board will not move. That flex is actually in the table itself. And just pull the quick release and off they come. You can see you can do that all one-handed, lets you be able to hold the job that you got going. Well, this brings us to the end of the video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Now I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give it a like as it really helps out the channel. Now I have a few more projects in the works at the moment, so if you want to see those, please also consider subscribing. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Bye.